with me over the last 8 years. When we took over office in 2016, we knew what Edo State was. The person I took over from had no respect for our people, had no respect for our women, encouraged prostitution and human trafficking. Today, is that still the case? Is Edo still known for human trafficking? When I came, they said teachers were no good, that they could not read, and they abandoned them. Today, is Edo not number one in education?
Yes, sir!
Are we not number one in education?
Yes, sir!
When I came, they said civil servants were corrupt, that civil servants were no good. They did not give them money. They did not pay their salaries on time. Today, don't we have the best civil service in Nigeria? When I took over office, what color did our pensioners used to wear on Labor Day? Was it not black? Today, what are they wearing? They are wearing white. When we took over office in 2016, were there jobs? Were our young ones not traveling abroad? Were they not taking them to Kano and from there to Libya? Are they still going? Don't they have work? Don't they have Edo jobs? Edo Innovates? Edo Creative Hub? So, after 8 years, with all of these achievements, do you want to go back? Is Edo not one of the safest states in southern Nigeria? Are vigilantes not the best trained community police in Nigeria? Now they want to remove them. Are you going to allow? So, it is clear, this is an existential threat. This election is a do or die. Because if they do, we will die. Do we want to die? Do we want more insecurity? Do we want people who didn't go to school to come and lead us? So the decision is clear. Next week, Saturday by this time, what will happen? What will happen? This finger, PDP, and who will be the next governor? PDP! The work is hard, the work may be tough, but we shall prevail by the grace of God Almighty. We shall prevail by the grace of God Almighty. When I talk, I say we go prevail by the grace of God Almighty. Before I go sit down, when I talk, we go do am. When I talk, we go do am. When I talk, we go do am. When I talk, one of our excellency don't talk, say, before, price of beans, 7,000. Today, 120. Price of rice, 10,000. Today, 140. Everybody up, everything up. Our work now to bring her. Our work now to make Edo State, that state, where better pass anywhere for Bodo Ibo. And we go do am. So we beg now, next week, by this time, when I go down vote finish. Next week, everybody, please come out to vote. I beg, make we no fear, make we no fear, nothing to fear. If we plenty as we plenty like this, nobody will do us anything. When I talk, nobody will do us anything. And you wake up for money, you wake your wife, you wake your brother, you wake everybody. I beg you, we go vote. And you go guard your vote. They go count up, as they count and finish, you go follow and go collation, from collation to collation, from collation to collation, from collation to collation, until they announce us saying that we don't win. The president of Nigeria say na free and fair election. So we believe him. Our governor say na free and fair election. We believe him. Our other governors and our leaders leaders say they go support us next week into a free and fair election process. We believe them. So make it no fear. Make it no worry. It is well and God is with us. And making our support us, making our day with us. We go make sure say everybody for this state secure and happy.